Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Tayyab Zahid. I am from Pakistan. Today our topic is magnet, bar magnet. First of all, we will discuss about magnetic field. A magnet is placed on the surface of glass and iron is sprinkled on the magnet, and around the magnet iron filling will deposit like this manner, as you can see in this video. You can observe pattern of iron filling around the bar magnet, and iron particles are more on north pole and more on south pole, while a few particles are present in between north and south poles. And if we move magnet to and fro, you can see a beautiful patterns of iron particle on the pole of magnet. These particles are still attached with these poles on north pole and on south poles. If we move on the surface of these particles, then a pattern of iron deposition on north and south pole can be easily observed. And from this video we can learn about magnetic line of force which are present on both sides of this bar magnet. This is called bar magnet, and it is north pole, it is south pole of this magnet. It is called compass. It also contains a magnet, and its north end is red, while its south end is white. When we bring this compass near to bar magnet, south pole is attracted toward north and north pole is attracted on this side towards south. You can see this scene clearly if we see inside compass. Move the compass around the bar magnet and observe the needle of the compass. The movement of needle can be observed easily. Look inside the compass. By the experiment we know how the compass is affected by a bar magnet. Similarly, we can observe this effect on this side. Needle movement can be observed. Similarly, we can observe its behavior at its poles. Similarly, we can observe behavior of compass on this side pole. Now, this is another type of magnet. Its half portion is north pole and half portion, other half is called South Pole, and this can be detected by compass. Now it is called South Pole, while it is called North Pole. If we bring this compass toward this side, now you can easily see that South Pole is attracted toward North Pole. If we bring this compass toward its south side, north end is attracted toward south side. And if we join these two magnets, now this pole is south and this pole is north. And if we connect another magnet with this series, now it becomes a strong magnet, and its north end is on its this side, while its south end is on this side. Now it is a strong magnet, just like this bar magnet. Now you will observe North Pole attract South Pole because these are opposite poles, and we can explain this by doing this work. These are attached with each other, and I am pulling this side toward right side. Now second magnet is attached with first magnet, and this can be easily observed. Similarly, this attraction can be observed on this side. North and south poles are attracted. Once again, you can see this scene. Attraction phenomena can be observed by this, while repulsion can be easily seen by doing this work. Now I am moving bar magnet toward right side, and there is no motion in this magnet because there is a repulsion between these ends, and there is no clear motion below its surface because the friction force is present between glass and magnet. One end of any bar magnet will always want to point north if it is suspended with the help of a thread. It is called north-seeking pole. Now this is called north-seeking pole or north pole, and the other is called south pole. This is called south pole. If we bring the compass near to the bar magnet, the north end of the compass is attracted to the south end of the magnet. Like pole repel each other and unlike pole attract each other. Compass helps us in navigation. We can observe direction north, south with the help of this compass. Now we will discuss magnetic line of force. Magnetic line of force. The line that we have drawn out around the magnet called the magnetic line. magnetic line of force, the lines that we have drawn out around the magnet called magnetic line of force, the region in which magnetic force can be detected, this region is called magnetic field. Magnetic lines of force comes out from North Pole. Our Earth behaves like a power magnet, and now we will perform experiment of drawing of magnetic line of force.
चेंज का
Draw magnetic field of this magnet, bar magnet, and first of all we place compass on paper and we find direction. It is south side, it is north side. Now we will place a bar magnet on paper. A boundary line is drawn around the bar magnet. It is boundary line of this magnet. Now this is called North Pole and this is called South Pole. When we place compass near the bar magnet, the needle of compass is directed towards north, and we pointed these direction by marker, and other points are shown on paper. By freehand sketch, we will draw a line on the path of needle of compass. Now this is first magnetic line of force. Second magnetic line of force can be drawn on this side. Process is very easy. During vibration, you should wait, and in standing position, these magnetic line of force are drawn. These starts from north side and ends on south side. Another magnetic line of force can be drawn. Process is same. Now we have a pattern of other points. Now this is second line, magnetic line of force on its right side. We can draw similar magnetic line of force on this side. Be patient while making magnetic line of force. Wait, standing position of needle. Keep in mind, these magnetic line of force does not cross each other. Now we have another magnetic line of force, and it is also directed from north to south side. You can make another magnetic line of force on this side. Needle will tell you the way of magnetic line of force. Magnetic line of force have no physical existence. You cannot touch, you cannot pick this magnetic line of force. Similarly, we can draw magnetic line of force on this side. Now we get this magnetic line of force. Similarly, magnetic line of force can be drawn on the end of bar magnet. Their pattern is not curve type. These magnetic line of force enters inside south pole. Similarly, another magnetic line of force can be drawn on north pole, and this magnetic line of force will be similar to south pole magnetic line of force. Its direction is from north seeking. I am trying for another magnetic line of force on north pole. And I have told you that it is a very easy process, very simple experiment. Wait for standing position of compass needle so that your magnetic line of force behaves in correct manners. Now we can draw another magnetic line of force directed from north pole toward north side. Similarly, we can draw magnetic line of force on this side. Compass will tell you about the direction. Now the space around the magnet from where compass needle is deflected, that space is called magnetic field. Magnetic line of force. Similarly, we can draw on this side magnetic line of force. Direction of these arrows should be correct. This magnetic line of force comes from north pole and enters inside south pole. Similarly, we can draw magnetic line of force on this side. Now, a beautiful pattern of magnetic line of force is being drawn. You should have patience. You should carefully determine the position of needle which is present inside the compass. And in first experiment in which we sprinkled iron films on bar magnet, its poles attract particles of iron very much. Many magnetic line of force can be drawn like this manner. I think you have learned the process of drawing of magnetic line of force. Now It is called magnetic field of this bar magnet. You can write north on this side and south in this side. This magnetic field can be drawn with the help of bar magnet and compass, and these articles can be easily available inside the laboratory. Up till next video, Allah Hafiz.